men, and I use the term loosely. Hey, you've probably been wondering where I've been lately. I haven't made a video in a while. I don't plan on quitting making videos. I may make them a little less frequently, but I've been busy lately. Pretty nice stuff, huh? But that's not what this video is about today. Today's video is about this. This is a customer's transmission. And yeah, Ross, it's you. Give me a call. Your crankcases are done. The bottom end is together. The cams are in. I'm up to the transmission. I pretty much have spent all the money you sent me and more. But you got here something that's going to cost you even more to fix. Let me show you what's going on. All right, I hope the camera picks this up. But and Ross, I hope you're not the guy who put this together, because I'm going to insult you. The guy who put this together didn't know what he was doing. You've got here a combination of, you got here a combination of bad import parts. This is the main shaft second gear right here. This is your problem. Look at the play this thing has on the splines. That's horrible, horrible. That should be a nice, smooth, sliding fit. Horrible. And I think what your problem with this is this is an import gear, I do believe. There's no Harley number on it. There's no Andrews numbers on it. It's unknown. And the splines are just cut way too sloppy. I know it's the gear because I have another main shaft second gear off of another transmission I tried that fits the shaft very nicely. So there is a problem with the shaft, but it's not these splines. Okay, so let's look at the other problem on the main shaft. Look at this gear. This is the main shaft low gear. Will you look at this thing wobble on the shaft? This gear, it rotates with the shaft, but it does not slide back and forth. This needs to be snug on the main shaft. I don't believe the problem is the gear. I believe the problem is the main shaft. And I say that because some ham-fisted dork ground the splines down. It may be a little bit hard to see, but there's grind marks all over here. And this also looks like a brand new part. There's virtually no detectable wear where the bearings run. So somebody took a shaft and screwed it all up, and then onto the screwed up shaft they put a screwed up gear. So let's talk about the other problem. The bike has in it two plus 20 shifter forks, and once again these look brand new. I'm here to tell you the clearance between the gears is all wrong. I temporarily installed a set of standard gears, and it looks like you're going to need a standard and a -10 or thereabouts. So, and once again, Ross, I hope it wasn't you. I don't want to pick on you, but find a guy who put your trans together. He dicked this all up. Anyway, two pretty new looking shifter forks, but the wrong size. So the bottom line gets to be this. To get this in a roadworthy condition, you're going to need another cash infusion. I might have mentioned earlier, I've spent all the money you sent me and some. Shafts, an Andrews shaft is $300. Shifter forks are about $40-45 a piece, although what I'm willing to do for you is I've got a bunch of standards. I might even have a -10 laying around. I'll just trade you straight up for your +20s, because I need +20s more than I need standards. So that won't cost you anything. And the gear, I don't know. These are $150, $170 a piece. You maybe could get by with the Eastern main shaft. They're cheaper, and I've had good luck with them. So yeah, more money needed. Give me a call when you can, and I am out of here. The rest of you be thankful this ain't yours. Ross, give me a call. We'll see you later. Have a good night. Bye. And now, 2 words from our sponsor.
Super clean.
Ooh, nice. Men, if you like this channel and this content, the single most important thing you could do to help grow this channel is to hit the subscribe button. I also have new design coffee cups and stickers available. You know, I like the old coffee cups, but I like these new ones even more. Links are included in the description down below. And for those of you who really want to go the extra mile, you could join me on Patreon. Link is also included in the description down below. And to all of you who have watched these videos, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. I really, really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye.